and welcome everybody. Ons is terug by Afrikaans First Additional Language Series. En vandag gaan ons kyk na chips en dips. That's a neurodiverse word for trick and tips. Nee, alright. Some tricks and some tips that we can do or that we need to know when they are trying to catch us during the exam. Alright, let's take a look at the first trick and tip. Intensiewe vorm. Now, an intensive form is when I make something more intense than it really is. I do not say something is only just red. Nee, I make it more intense. I say it's blood red. Okay, so in Afrikaans sê ek bloedrooi. Okay, folks. Now, what is the rule that we need to remember when dealing with intensive forms? An intensive form is always and ever one word. If you're going to write this as two words, then it's not an intensive form anymore. Alright, now the common ones we know. Potblou, spierwit, goudgeel, grasgroen, all the colors. Now, alright, trick and tip. Now we get to one that we don't know. We have no idea of what the intensive form of this one could be. Now, here's a trick. Instead of just leaving it open, we go for the word do it or bitter. Because do it and bitter fits 50% of the intensive forms in Afrikaans. Say, for example, moeg. Yo, you do not know what moeg what, nee. Try, do it. Do it, moeg. And there's your answer. Now we get to goed. Oh, yo. Blerrie goed. Goed. Okay. Now we try do it of bitter. Do it goed. Okay, that doesn't sound really cool. Bitter goed. Okay, that one can work. Bitter goed. Stout. Alright, let's try. Do it stout. Not that cool. Bitter stout. Yes, that can work. So a trick and a tip for intensive forms. Remember, it's always one word. And if you don't know what the intensive form is, go for do it or for bitter. Because it fits 50%, so you got a 50% chance of being correct. Remember, we never leave a question unanswered. We always give it our best guess. So intensive forms, always one word. And if I don't know the intensive form, I go for the word do it or bitter. Alright, my next chip and dip, my next trick and tip. Now, what will happen when ge is in the middle? Alright, now listen carefully. As ge in die middel van die woord is, it is one word. One action, one word. Weggevat. It's one action. Ek het iets weggevat. Ge is in the middle, so it glues the word together because it's one action. Oopsie, my pen het afgeval. Fell down. One action, ge is in the middle, so the word becomes one. Nou het ek my pen opgetel. One action. Ge is in the middle, so it glues the word together. So when ge is in the middle, and it is one action, then ge glues the word together. And pay attention to this, because this we normally get in the past tense. Alright. Chip and dip number 3. When is huis toe or toe one word or two words? Pay attention. If it indicates direction, now, toe becomes two words. Ek gaan huis toe. Two words because it indicates direction. Ek vlieg Kaap toe. Two words because it indicates direction. Alright. So if the word toe indicates direction, then it is two words. Normally we get confused. Ons raak deur mekaar. Whether huis toe or skool toe is one word or two words. Now remember, if it indicates direction, it is two words. If it indicates an action, now, then I write it as one word. Ek kyk agtertoe. Nee, action, one word. Ek kyk boontoe. One word, because it's an action, not a direction. Ek kyk ondertoe. That's in action. So now toe is one word. So nou gaan ons nie meer deur mekaar raak nie. If it's a direction, né? Huis toe, skool toe, Kaap toe, Durban toe, nee, dorp toe. Two words. If it's an action, nou, onder toe, agter toe, kant toe, then it is one word. And the last chip and dip. Time. Okay. Now, one watch, one time. If I need to write in Afrikaans, time. Now, I want to say it's 2 o'clock in Afrikaans. Nou sê ek, dit is 2 uur. Remember that thingy? Makes it one word. Now, so anything that indicates time, one watch, one word. Now, dit is 8 uur. Die kleintjies moet gaan slaap. So what do we need to remember? One watch, one word. Right. If I'm talking about a period, the test will take 2 hours. It's nothing to do with a watch. Nee, it's a period. Then I write it as 2 words. Die toets is 2 uur. That doesn't mean that I'm writing test at 2 o'clock. It means the duration. Watch, one word. Duration, 2 words. Okay. So this is the little chips and dips, the trick and tips. Intensive form. If you don't know the intensive form, don't just leave it open. Go with do it of bitter. If ge is in the middle and it's one action, then it glues the 2 words together. If I have a word plus 2 and the 2 indicates a direction, huis toe, skool toe, dorp toe, it's 2 words. If the 2 is together with the Afrikaans word and it indicates action, agtertoe, boontoe, ondertoe, then it's one word. And then time, one watch, one word. Right, so if it's time in Afrikaans, then it is one word. If it's a duration, then it's 2 words. And that goes for our writing, creative writing as well. And that is our chips and dips, tricks and tips in Afrikaans. question your comments. Nah? Give me that thumbs up and subscribe. Subscribe costs you nothing. South Africa, this is important to mention. Nah? Subscribe just means mahala, for free. Okay. If I see you the next time, we are diving into poetry.